that were mentioned as the valid broadcast and all those things, you were saying if the figures were correct, and that there were inconsistencies in the figures, I want to ask you, now, in your own calculation, what were the total valid votes cast in the presidential elections on 7th December 2020?
Very good question. Very good question. Kwade Yano.
Those calculations are reserved for a meeting for us to reconcile it with, because the first respondent herself keeps keeping the figures. And so it's a sign to bring your person to say, let's look at
Yano.
the court.
Yes.
When you started giving evidence, you said you had all the representatives across the 275 constituencies. You said you put agents to do the, yes, and they were to, coordinate the figures. You said it.
Yes.
And it's asking you that from that,
How?
what figure did you get?
I said Yano. I said look at ya. Just answer. Yo, mummy and Castle Yankoi. I can't know my quarters over Kenyans as him. When you know, ye bua mamua, or much at in Chan Casacasa. When you know, or for your Mawakaba, high fear TV, Yedikai Aka, I had your bar at the Kian Enqua. Yes, say, a Bobianua, or two Cosra or Kabim, Takabuina, even Eagle, a boy with Timmy Dinner, Nikos, Yashe, Korean. Kokokon okwa wonka ho enu na nkranfo se low from fako ekako nwenda abobie nu obewu osoro ane ntakra ebekada ebeba fom nti wudidi a na wodwin fie uye bibia na wodwin fie enu nti na yaba se fie ni fie aha mpanyifo se wosi achi nya odekura na ehwa na otechire manam nti oman Ghana fix it no ye fix ya ye nyina enkwan eyeda tanwa wosabinom yanse ye ba hanom dia ye bebu ye ba du behwe video be a obekọ no wanya bibi kakra to kotibim empanyifo se nkwan yeda tanwa wosabinom tanwa no yo sodo we dey just by the way sodo ye ka sodo a omo wa ahemfi a omo noa ehemfo nuane no akankasa mu ye fro omo sodo na ba akubu omo ye fre ne tanwa wona the chief chef ewo ho cook owo ahemfie ho enti sa nkwan no wo wie a obeka bi ahwe ansa na wayi akọ ono hwe se ye enti na mpanyifo se nkwan eye da taanoa ne efre ne taanoa osabinom okabi hwe eno na amafo ka se nyini kọ no yenso ye ebu ni se nkwan ye da taano eta ano sabinom nkwan efise ento se gu nkwan no wuyi a wo de ta na bepoto enti nkwan ye da ta no sabinom wada se enti Ghana na ye ka fix it one eye ya eye ye mami eye ye mawo eye ye ma ye nyina enti ye penisa pa Ghana fix it na kokoko no ye penisa pa na mom ye won krofo bi wo hono ma se ye kasafa o man Ghana ye ho no o do ma no batuma na etwa yawo o kan obi se menka odofo me ma akwa abanyame enhira wo se ne wo ni fie TV edi ehia yesra wo ba se de da wo ye no ma ye ni die mu oba homfefo so no ye fie TV echita for their wise and discerning. These are the people Mona John Mahama entimi nka nkyira wo se Mona John Mahama entimi nka nkyem se mu ye illiterate no entimi please share ene ye be kasa pa. What I say, yeah, Kasafa or mine, or this face the country, Ghanaians deserve better change. Yes, I agree with you, Vera. I very much agree with you. 120%. But on it, yeah, share. Yes, so young comment, young fire ideas so embra, Sabi, young Sandy Baku food. The fact that my better camera, and says, minim young Sancho, there be that. And yet, yeah, somebody has to lead, somebody has to talk. Obi say Nana Kweku Amwako or say Nana is fixing it. Yo, we are cooking. Yeah, okay. You know, oba na so akire said amanfo kire omadwen na Kweku Amuako nyame nhira obebre me da say you are my sharer. God bless you. Thank you very much. I appreciate. Ye kwaso aka ye say Mother's Day no e da kwan so ba ye dikai say me can say that day no say me wa adwuma kokra na go off work so that you be the Mother's Day no in the grand style. What I say enti nyame nhira emma enyina in advance. Well, yembobo ansam no so ya na ye ba ye mpese ye beje madaji bebre enti papa ne ahu de ekoso na watwe mu nsam epiepie ba no propaganda e wo mu no ye ba be they should create a system for clean environment in Accra and other people. Okay, Dorothy Sampson, I almost missed you. He said, welcome there. Thank you. Thank you. Now what you mean some akoko so nyina ye besisi no koso ye bobbo ne sere ne abasa ye tutunu na nyansa ne de bebo o man ne wom ya fa na de ni kwan se ye soso sokra ne nyina ya to atwene se because esi ano o man ye hu se now some people are resurrecting their thinking caps and then calling for positive change. Fix the country, fix Ghana, fix Ghana, fix Ghana. No. I think the slogan, they should create another place for only containers. Well, thank you. I say, me huni say, the slogan shouldn't have been fix the country. It should have been let us fix the country. What I say? Let us fix the country. That should have been our slogan. But fix the country, which is I'm going to sit on the fence. I'm going to sit unconcerned. Then I leave it to somebody to do it. That would never work. It would never work when we want to fix a nation. And with a quick response to some propaganda and news to be affirmed now, then we come back and individually we discuss how we can best fix our country and then see the way forward. Now what we move, NDC for Bekasa now Omokasa Ninano, Ebinumo Kasafa Galamsey, Nana has failed, the government has failed. Peter Otukono Boama. NDC is a national vice chairman who said, I don't want to know the position. When I asked my Wabeka and Yabeka who said the incumbent government lacks the knowledge to fight Galamsey. Really? Boamo Tukono. And you people, we are not force you near cancer. This is a platform, Sebi and Yansafo and a Gosso and Yansafo Netiso. And we are trying to restrain ourselves. Say, ye be you so west beer and yet what saying it because we have kids. China, I'm teaching my kids not to be insulting. Now say China, Dada, you were sitting, you had a camera before you insulting, commenting, insulting. Now just a wake up running through. So and they be doing them Gloria Anane, those personalities saying fix the nation. No, they are all hypocrites. They should fix themselves first. I think I agree with you. Okay, and you know. Person be use offensive words but sometimes we be no be no man now I say who offensive word who nya word be to describe them media I am saying and I keep on saying say what now we know bia we ni sika wo ba bi say wa bobra nya usika wo be a politician na wo be nya sika ni de me te hanom Kofi Bosheba me mu we a nation wrecker because politics and he's the deputy secretary to say we thank you Thomas Buampo Kwabi me da se bebre brother and nwanwa somebody ka say bi mpanyimfo se wokoya ne so koto se kokosaji eti ya no so to nko na ye be ka che se kokosaji ato ya anu mu a enya nwanwa na etinye bia eni hu because the very person now was secretary to no one other say so on so akasa ye be yi omu nyina no baako then we come back to fix the country and look at it in a Ghanaian patriotic Ghanaian spectacle. What I say and the Obeka yes say the MPP lacks the knowledge and the idea to fight Galamsey me pa cho na do ebetna so no na yensuo nyina asai na ode ne presidency to line no obeje 2 minutes free one sam otukọ no bo amai China for so omu hia obi ama na tutu dadoa omu hia obi ama na tutu dadoa free omu nua dadoa kekam ko ni ehwe wa obetima ye adwuma ne papa oduko no bo ama China bo se we no fa betutu nadoa fa bra betutu nadoa wo Hong Kong wate na ye pe obi amanaka. Thank you Alfredo Usu answer, thank you. Wa pe obi amanaka nyansa sam a kire ya fa galamse hu a na otuko no wo bo ama masa jai se hunu no na wo be ya me anu apa ye hye ye ho so pa because de wa be kan ese ke tu kotra Independence Square no obi adu a ofa aba no de atwaw no okọ obi adu a no ofa aba no de atwaw no okọ because in some na be kan nyansa ebia enim wo te so no wa say ni nyina even when the president heading the presidency to line ya beto about 2020 wo no party me let me keep that way. Wo no party move for na mo de mo dwen komachi ahohoro manim kosoro na de mo pa ni sika yembedi no you guys na mo kowura baby o mo tu galamse ka kiro mo say mo te say yabobo aba no na Mahama afa pe onkotu galamse mo gina nsuo ho because of power kwekubu ahe sa kwa na kwekubu ahe okasa nanim kasa kan sabi echa ne tubini no kwekubu ahe okasa nanim kasa kan echa ne janan onwene no mo gina ho no mo kekan ema mo flag bearer gina ho ka se media me ba galamse die obia beye. Now the very cost say your natural resources near galamse whatever we are person of friend it is illegal. Now galamse no brofo gather them and sell and na ye nananom antimi anka omo ye no galamse enti galamse no the person ye ni bia no illegal and for a whole flag bearer former president to that effect etimi betina honom kase me de me ba illegality ebe koso de now kana adwen owo wono won bebu man no sika na na adwen ye nse nkwa ofa bom a ye be chi no ntu ofa ne kakra no eno no wo beto aso omo they are not Kweku Amuakon is also a sharer is that NDC is not alternative pu mpacho ya fa to no so why nenye de pu to neke ana mu be say bibia enti na adwen se oba be sesa de aka no because okotena opposition no sa 5 years ni no wonya hwe so bosumi bia ye bo no ho ka na mu be ka galamse sem mu say yensu nyina ne China for di kaso bom. I'm not saying ahano mi do hano ma me pese meye politically blind. There are MPP members or munsu wo galamse numbi. If not ye ba power no minister able minister John Peter Mewu etimi ma yensu eni tie e ma Ghana Water Company ebe bo government abaso se si ade ensuo ni ade ni ate ene yesimo waya ade ene yeko yesisan no ko ba bi foforo me pa cho minister no oba ye no eye den no no oba ya ensuo san ho no ye doesn't it tell us something say obi wo ho o make sure say ensuo na asai na ye dia yeti ensuo pa kwa beka say yeti ya hwe mexicanity ya hwe mekagum ene oba ye wodi ni na see from ebe ye mansuo nani within by 3 weeks na ensuo ni nyina settle down kama minister foforo ba ya okono wasa sensuo no kura amanne ye boy nana echi ye boy nana echi and ahanu edu hanuma it is not MPP NDC but MPP under the leadership of His Excellency Nana Addo and I am bold enough say I am fighting against it. If you need to be dance here opposition say oba legalize it. Mo sorry and I nanom tam ye bejimi bre ye nanom tam ye bejimi bre ye nanom tam ye bejimi bre ye nanom tam ye bejimi bre unim tam ani year garamse eba in existence e wo Ghana no mo wa adwen say 100 meters from river Yenko galamsey wo ho. And then I see ye niate no, ya 300 meters no, ati esi nsuo no mu. Na de arebo ni se Ghana ni edi China ni enimu kire se hana gold no wo, bring money, I will lead it. Ni say no. Na mutie ensama Chinese government aka kire Ghana na mbon se sebi ye mwa. Because oka kire se enye Ghana nko a ene etu galamsey. Enye Ghana nko a ene etu galamsey. Yetu bi wa South Africa. China for bet makwa South Africa kwa yesa. Because the native would not allow that. They love their country. But Ghana we hunsika. Obe twani ni na China ni timi kuta pump action gun. E to Ghana ni pay wakuno. Yeti yakuro mo. Kweku papa and that sumachre meno was up a position. Was up a position. Was up a post. These are some of the things that ye dey ni kohwe people for NDC for no ne omunse mu no mu dia ye ni be ba ye mo so no na ye mu bi ya ye ministers ni bi so asey ye chi poto ama ye kanka enti nana ye srew ye nim say Jinapo, we know him, we know what he can do. Very vibrant minister. Obetimi wo de mo maye man 3 weeks pe na ye hade e claim no okeka no ho sesi a no hu nchi a ye chi nipa. So asuma kire me, where were you? Minister minister. Now where were you? Does it tell us, or are you telling us you knew it but you were involved? There are so many questions for you to answer. He must be held accountable. I see a Timmy Chinu Jina Hobisa Bisan because ye de ma ono na niti. Eba ni say na Peter Mewudie. Wotimi gwe abai na say poto. Na Ghana foa mudie mundi akire na NDC fo timi yesen. Na ya say nkrofo djuma ye say azie nya galamsey say muti omum communicators no. Ene mo gugu nkrofo djuma nipa ba ko galamsey wo hwe abusuya enti yamma abusuya ba akunti. A country of about 32 million people enwu ni enko kransuo. Oh, another idiot is here. I don't blame you. I blame John Mensa. Look at all this. Oh, John Mama, so you're illiterate, so I will not give ear to you. Mumu me ba mo de no so. Se mu da so blame John Mensa. John Mama say mo you're illiterate. The horse's own mouth was mu ye illiterate. Mo MC can illiterate. Mo agasa mo ni mu ade can so manya. When you munti na menam. Let me go on with my issue. And a particular family, a whole country no enwu to the extent say ya nhwe ya ensuo ye bekwa akokra ensuo. Wa wote wa wo ye na no bisa ho se ba ensuo kra aduane kra se bi ye nya sika ntonni na wa akokra ensuo. Enti galamsey no mumma ye nyina collectively irrespective of a particular party be a war fight against it. Say anya ni sa a time is coming we will all die. Kweku Amwako, thank you very much bro. Kweku Amwako, we will all die as some part near Bosono. The also when the last tree dies, the last man dies. Your forest now, your reservoir. People are encroaching to Galamsey. It's a forest, you know. We are digging our grave as a Ghanaian. We are digging our graves. And we need able president to put his presidency online, just like Nana is doing, to say, I will stop it. And the Yenina fix the country, you know, a diabolic tactics to divert our attention from Galamsey. Diabolic attempt to turn our attention every Galamsey, no, because some people know very well say a call Galamsey. Omo nya wo mu kra. Omo sai poto. Enti ya me enko ho. E na o ma sheda akoko e na Galamsey. Fix the country. Yes, we must fix the country. And the galamsey issue, no brother, sister, me pa chow. And yet a matter of MPP and issue. A bar, they have the money. They got the money. Se kobakro, mukro, and most of them families in Ghana. I said, look at Ghana, you run the money Ghana. Or by Europe, say, Obenya, you recover so far shall be good Ghana anymore. Or no fan any word in any so. Now, come here, any word I said, look at any so and come go grab the mean net. Now, you have what to say, what's here? Fa upepa I just say we are not so browse my lord the member no man farmer. Wait, that's a mikoka say a Jimmy Sam and no say look at the court now. Ubi baka se medina tem. Na o na ga ye dia no obey court no. Dia no obey e court no. So enti me call back. I'll get back to Galamsey. Now quickly. Now, John Dramani Mahama, you have the guts. You got nerves. Be can't say, oh, because a Ghana for because of taxes. Hey, do you really meant something when you say Ghanaians have short memory? No, you really meant something when you said Ghanaians have short memory. Now, if you think Ghanaians, not some Ghanaians, like your NDC followers, have short memory, then you are deceiving yourself because it is your followers. Of course, when you describe them illiterate, it is the best word. Maybe my family na minchire illiterate munchire NDC for. You can't illiterate and you be on brofo. And you be on brofo. Brofo eye kasa. It is a me nti brofo na twi nkwana mitimi turo midin to honoma. I am not an illiterate. Dio, as some na doma I can what describe him perfect. In fact, he could not have used any other word than illiterate because nipa 100, nipa 12, ekwacha de 100. It is only illiteracy at its highest degree. Ena obeye we be koso. Nipa 12 ekwacha de 100. Nipa 12 ekwacha de 100. Uko ya no, yesi nipa odi kan ba ya no wafa 51. Eko. Ni adenso epede obenya dodo. Uko ya no yesi nipa odi kan ba ya na befa 51 ko. Nti aka 49. 49 no na 12 11 na aka no beche. Still na ujina wo se medi nkunim. If not illiteracy. Say enya illiteracy. What could have caused this? Somebody should tell me. And the former President Mahama has just hit the nail right on the head. To have called his followers illiterates. Yaka illiterate. Me chiramu biem. Thank you, brother, for paying attention to national issues. Philomena McCoy. Hi, Philomena. Hope you're doing good. It's a long time. Let me hear from you. You must hear from me as well. Masa, what has I said in Ketiago to do with this? You can't wait, even speak. You can't wait, even speak English. I don't eat. So you can. Let me focus. Now, when you follow them, you lose focus. No, be catch it. Kutu no ko catch it. That sense, me huntum so you can't brofi. Yeah, APC. Na ma be kan ko for me kan be you na mtiem ya. Yan way me say illiteracy and yet who cannot speak and read English. Midin bo sheba no. Ye tro to ho e wo me kasem na me hu se midin ya. I am not an illiterate. And the word do you see no me be penitwi. E je se mo ye tibon koso. Jimifo nipa hunu. Ni twi no mu ne simple sa no. Eno nti na omo communicate na fa ti abeka say o illiteracy no kan no on pa kire say ni say no o pese o kire say o ka kwase a nkire mu be biem na ahia o kwase mu una ba kire kwase ase. And if not illiteracy akade mo koye no mo nye na de mugusu kra mo ye no mo nye no no aso o shembi. Because so to me dano now be catch say taxes say kun Ghana for what's under you me ba mbebo taxes how they buy and how taxes were ruining the country. Yet Yet, na COVID cry. Okay? It started from here. IMF, the world policy by said COVID, I can't country, ama world economy, I abba from. And obia emfa we tax kakra NGJ said we are betimi dia support to na yenim de we yenim na se sa ko pega no ho menu so biem a obi atimi aso mu. Joe Biden bought this idea. America, it is helping them. UK is doing it for the first time in about 60 years. Omo besia say that. For the first time in about 60 years, UK and more business said that, but COVID did. Omabo, they are buying into it. China, almighty China, they are buying into it. Nasa Ghana, visionary president so under the able minister Ken say yenso yenfa mpeswa kakra ntoto ho. Na yenjiji said the bear the boy ho bra yenya ti bon kwasofo bi a omo de omo betena so no de omo ye ya ne say omo betena so no the best they could do ni say omo ko share IMF and she say credibility policy to omo sore a no ma danti IMF ne bebo ye pono Ghana ene mo mfa nipa yesa sa no omo ye enu ti dia today talking against yede ma free no mo ba yi yede ma free no mo ba yi yede ma free no e na mo betua no na ho kiro na nka obi kura ma osika e na wo afedi a ho kire no ko ana se yare atoyire nchemba na obi ma osika e di gina na e ko no o kasa fam sika ma me mpache onko wa ye bone but in this case grantisa mo ma ye mboa ye ho nsan fansie no omo de omo adwen no eni sabi omodwon so tenten pe enkwa akire na esi fom ha ya omodwon so omayeye. This is a political party they want to come to power. And the IMF policy of tax increment enye Ghana kwa a worldwide policy will be of fire. And when you guys came to talk about it, and then what describe them so me useless person white. So say I catch it out. I said we told you the longest serving we told you. You guys thought we were insulting. Now, Mahama is telling you guys that you are all illiterate and useless. That is why he lost the election. Indeed, he has finally accepted the verdict. And not from the Supreme Court, the results of the election. And to ride from Brojaja and Phil Kumasi, boy, Mahama, you guys are useless. Muye illiterate, muye tibon koso, muye sabia jimi fo mo nwene. Mo dwene a ensiso ye tworo a to ha wunhu, ye tworo e to ha wunhu. Oti aduane ne anso wo sa wo de be so hwinim. That is what John Mahama was telling ka kire mo. Sana no ka kire mo. Ma membo ba na wo be ka tax. Mama utiri mo odin wo ka tax ho asem. Say mine no ahochiraba meba under your watch and your leadership yenya petroleum tax and Ghana for na ya to petrol mu me ka kire wo say second this na wo so a ka nya ne ya to petrol mu asem a wo ka no me say second this na wo so a ka nya ne ya to petrol mu na asem na wo ka no enka sabre petrol shu ka wo be tima afaka enka ka asem nyina mo be pake. I'm telling you. Yes, I'm full of training to us. Mrs. John Mahama ne was what? Enka Mudia Muni, and you are done who be a bronies and bet Rebecca taxes as summer. John Mahama, no eyes of a sea bono cry. Who him say he doesn't pay tax? Also Ghana for her children, Mebois. Ghana for her children, near quite you musica dia bro, only who aids. Busumi bia Ghana tua dan ka 900 million amount. Busumi bia doma ama nkwa no ono ankasa ya sama no 300 million ashe ni boto. All no yes our package ni to say emfama no. Na parliament so tibon koso parliament na akoye wha symbolic boy ye won crofo o team wi ase ko school. Now you go and bring that. Wo kofa ba no. Nyansani na wo kofa ba no. We say this thing started in now the date Agurani trade if it falls under Akufo-Addo, then we have something to worry about as a political party. Now Akofa adia free kwa pen so atena hwa ma omukrom ni kura betena so wanfi omo okoko no Busumi bia ka ye ball no obetu kwan ya Ghana wa hye ya to na nya obesore we kura kwa wo chance so obesa ba biem na opera ba kura wo ye papa to wa me ahwe no hwe do ye na afi obesa aba okwa wo ma biem mo de Ghana mum yenya mistake me kwa ba kura no bobo ya sum say okọ no oba the power say e be welcome no we nsem kura bobo ya sum tiatia ya say on fire home because or the taxes ni bebre by because on won tax he was tax free. Now, Okofa petroleum tax e buy. Nana Akufo-Addo buy no say a nuisance tax. We came. It is a Ghana for who chiro o ma. Nka wona wote so anka sa tax we. E wo e besa draining the ordinary Ghanaian John Mahama. So please shut up. When we are talking about hardship in the country, please shut up. Don't play the ostrich because who do you think o sheho na we jab body na e be twutie because we want to talk to you. Yenya bre sa galam say ni tax na mutu onum the politics no me pa cho when the kofa kaya ye levy e baye and which government yenya kaya yo o say wo krom ni kura sabi o wo sirem ne ho kire no o nsa ne mra fom a nipa adọso a kire so wo ho enti ne obetimi anya mo afi obi ho oso ade akogye obi a wo se waso akogya no tax wo beje you wan hwe wo je yeso and the Akufo-Addo buy no say a nuisance tax and o twam. And this on what you na a normal. Mama Kofa corporate tax in the buy. Akufo-Addo buy was my come. Look at all these taxes. Under John Mahama, the national electrification tax. It was 5%. Akufo-Addo buy was my 2% ago. You think it's no money? Public lighting levy 5%. Akufo-Addo buy wa buy 3%. Now, special petroleum tax it was 17.5%. Akufo-Addo buy was no, I love my people. The people are suffering. And what is from 17.5? What is so hard to 3%? The evidence is there. It's clear. It's clear. The evidence is there. It's clear. And now we can say ye ho kire. O ba be ka kire say ye ho kire. You don't know. 17.5%, you know. Akufo-Addo timiti so almost 95% try to go because of the love for Ghana, the well-being of the country. Who was 70 now nina necessary wa untua and the taxes we mu nyina do mama ojeje ye nyina the nation pandemic national pandemic like doom so san wo ho no wo san ko fa electricity bill increase 17% at the to so say yentua more if you want light yentua more ye hu light satam no ne ye ho nkyere because now they also that with them can ye mu fu ta and na hu aho kyere. Na unhu aho kire. Okay. Yankwaso na VAT rate. VAT rate 17%. Akufo-Addo buy what they about 3%. Bra, mamu ma enye ungrateful. Hwe ewiase se ubedi amo bra adia. Ubre o. Na ubo bra na ubedi sebi ko hwini wu na ubedi na adia. Ekoma adi o under the kohwini nyina no yeswa de brew entina now you have a lot to do. Obedi amobra dia, o bre papa if you want to be responsible in society. That is why obi be kwa kotoa to pan gbe wo wi a no okọ MP wo go and pay my school fees. Ade enche no asan akọ. That is why the very cause. Now under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, near FreeBB financial service levy. When the cover buy. Now let me financial service levy nenye. Why you might treat your taxes in area do sika koto bank no. Udu sika koto bank no. First one anka 100 Ghana. Now the koto bank only so 100 Ghana no. Under NDC John Dramani Mahama. Now the kwa near 17%. Now me reducing it to 10% so as to make the mathematics and calculation simple. Now 10% kura ukita 100 be 10 Ghana if free so. And do kita 200 Ghana ya to 20 Ghana. No more afa. No mafa. No mafa. Ni nyina echi na ye odum som. Enti ahokyere gu nyuma na obi twetwe ne mo re ni unya sika odi wura bank ani at 17% free so. Joma ama say we dey na ye ho nkyere ye and then you have the guts to come tell us say ye ho nkyere ye. And ye say sika na ye dey bo ho ka every month no. Wo se wa bo bra jagidi o tom. Wa bo bra enya aban na behwew ene oyire no ma jagidi. So wa bo bra Akufado ebe ye minister no yusu ono an car why e bi da ubetumi ube ka kire yen say woni wo ministers mwakatua mo tete so say mo boa ade oye oje double salary nti first one no na ne ekote so na second one no na ne ekote so na mo betwa yen tro enne ye to aba mutimi kotena ba bi etu galamsey say mu de mumtu ye ba ye be say no. Now the causes effect of galamsey on the ordinary Ghanaian. These were just some answers in rumors. Some of us just couldn't keep quiet whilst we know the truth. You see, we will dig and bring out the truth. These are facts. You and I know that we know that is the truth. Nothing but the truth. Now, fight against galamsey. Causes, effects of galamsey on the Ghanaian life. Cancer, galamsey areas no. Nyame amfafie. Na corona ibi etofa honoma. Ha, yabe chen Italy because already those living in those areas, many areas now sitting on time bomb. Cancer. No more mudi dinyina because mercury ni alumni more too blasted nsuo no nyina it go back into banchi ayedua ni akofa di enti ye ka galamsey asam na wotenkran sa wo de mfa wo ho a wonnua banchi won kran no ye betu banchi no afri takwa ho e de abraw amu adi amu aya na ewu enti enehwe ewu o wanyare o wewu hwe cancer. Unaka ukura de ekurase kura de okonya cancer kura sen wuti wenkani me poto papa bi organic food una udie nka cancer kura de nka eja chechede yesi sura de boaye din nka wo fa ho chechede koto a wuti krom ene asiti paye eduro ekọ high inflation akan na wusu hwan wuti wan enso enne ye na cancer ni nyaye kan katisi galamsey nti ya ka galamsey ho asama mesraw emfa nyama nyosam heart diseases sa nti ameka onza meka sa covid no ekomanefa ho no ma ye Ghana mesi ya be cha Italy 1 hour bia ya re over 3000 ye be si omo na ya yesen ye pa ya se ye hu yasene na ye be hia sei nti nyame no na kura ye enti sabra ye one who did to fight against it. What be who be ye galam fa ba ban kwanchi because okun galamsey mo amotetin kura na so you know the galamseyers muni mo na me omo me di omo ya wa kese ne hemfo ensase a ye tutu so galamsey no se obi na abetena asase no so kwa edo didi a nkwanana ebe tia ne chacha wachi akọ sa wa betena masase so wa mbaji to me wabetra masase so a wambeje tumi obekọ yetu galamsey obenya biedinti onhu ye no ate sa hemfo no Sa ehwefo policy ni yengu no. Ebe hayen so. Ohene ton asase di owi a no akoka kira aban sa aban be ye kwan. Ono aton asase na di o. Hu sika eguna yi wo de ka cha cha ehwe maba wa wo krom ho nyina no ohene nya asem a wo ye rough obeje oge ena himfo aba wo ye rough obeje oge no oton asase ni bi galamsey asase no hwan dia enti causes of galamsey na me bobo so ekiro now side effect koko ya ni nyina besey enti wo de me say entina ba bi nka say me ha de entu galamsey o na asem bia ni wa emfa nipa ho now let me tell you a story emre bi na ahomacham achechede ani anoma the way omu nyina aje o ma ho me wodua bi so ena anoma adidi awie yedede twi ena achechede as experienced as he was in the forest kachire anoma otiema anoma yedin na anoma ante no si ahoma you are the media between me and ahoma anoma no timisra wo na akosoro ba fom kachire ne se onya iso na de asem beba na anoma ahwe ahoma ahwe anoma wo se na me asem me fa me ho so na esu sitting on the fence unconcerned citizen. You don't love your country. Oh yeah, we say fix it. We can say let us fix it. That wo koda so obi me fix it. Ade obi Ghana esi so yene. Ghana esi so yene. Me say Ghana esi so ama o man na tete apansam no be sesa fix it no dia so na kufu adupe. Who no aswale bola na de akọ. Now let me continue. Ana anoma mfi ahoma mfi. Bofo iso akọ ene na maja bofo so ne nam kwaye na so okọ wura mu nyina wanya enam dade nti ode na ni hu hantwe okofie. No oti anoma asu Alexander oti was a good work my brother. Thank you. Oti anoma asu kwa wo bofo de last goose wo ma so dimaya wo anoma ene da ho anoma so tofo wanya ba bia nto se achechede so na bi minika koyi enti bofo no ba no se me di asase enya nam anoma mo wa ya de no fa achechede ka afi na no mani mu ayedu enko ne botonu na eso ka ahoma na wode chechire se de be obitim di akofi o man ti so ahoma na manchire dua yi no wode si mu ten oyi ahoma ene wode chechire ode chechire no ode ko to omo ko no anza anoma de wawu anoma de ya boni tu amuna wu onim de ekoso enti ahoma ya twa no so ani su ofiri mu ba no wo se anoma kopa asema be haye wo se me ka kire o me de mi koi e bia no de mbekwa akoto ama ye defe san adwane na we enti brother sister ye ka galamsey asema fa Ghana siwani so wati endi unya nkrofo bi a omde omahye political spectacles otuko no bo ama asiedu nkatia samija mfimo abetena ase ene yakwafun wo America friends yakwe nyasafo din kamani mchen kwasi afo me bro pa cho do ti America no ye ya mombo mame obi ntro din mame wati na se ye kwoti galamsey na obeshe spectacles political spectacles they akoye na Mrs. MPP ni na etu side effect we eba onim party NDC ni na etu and me ka galamsey they I'm not blaming the NDC alone MPP so ka ho me say say amona moti aban mu ene de ye de aba no betwa fiefo mo na moti aban mu nti say enso na ahono no ye nko bi sawan because ye de ahyem nsa mo ba ye na say yes yet ase mo boaduma nso na niti just within 3 weeks and within 2017 2018 na ye nso wo hwe ani kura utimi hu ase now say obi didi na ba sa akwara mo on say me bodin no me describe ma modi me describe we but one say obi aja tun say din we na mpese meka so it means we in throw. Thank you very much Kweku Amwako enti me pam chow Me pam chow. Moma ye nyina ye nkontia. Galamsey. Now, Galamsey is the diarrhea ba. Very dangerous disease. When we were in school, we were taught the 6th childhood killer disease. The very one at the biametron was diarrhea. Because another biametis, a crab be woo and potamoyasi on your diarrhea. And in Ghana, as I'm speaking, research and say every year, now, every year, over 5,000 children die every year by diarrhea. 5,000. And grow. Kuran kitin 5,000. But afibia diarrhea kuom. Madagana. And it is mostly caused by Galamsey. And it now never di agro. Me say on the fight Galamsey, asumachre me am tempted my body no. What failure? They say wama enkasabre ye twa obi achi but ene yesika na ese twa esa anye Ghana interest ni epe. Ye twa enye sa enye Ghana interest ena yepe. The interest of the nation first before any political party interest. And as at now, as I sit here and talk on it there, Asuma Chireme has failed the MPP and Abeye Mark. The propaganda for no and your baby so. And the minister for Fraba, Jinapo, a Juma Dawso. Once ye know some nation records who were saying say they know you will fail. And you use you as a scapegoat. Show I drink will be called Galamsey no. Or not to one say they were fan no beka ku feli na ma sheda na medina koto wo so feli. E dis for there me se mo ye mo anka mo ya mo kua mo mbo akua yo obibiem. No wonder say mo leader say mo ye illiterate and useless. Obi ti says I Dave Maxwell on the nam hey. Bosome nkono wada ma me oba yamti manyansa kakra ma etim why? Manyansa mra utrim. Fine, we question we kra sa kai masim because where are the missing excavators? What can you answer? That is why I'm firing both. So remove that political spectacle na show no. Nesu enyansa ni enko. We are talking about Galamsey, a national interest. For Adrian, you bet him they are fighting on the brand and stop defending. Whom are you defending? Idiots. Who are you defending? Whom are you defending? Now, the fight against it, and Penfosi Sebi, Ufa once no more before Bibra, Ubrukru. Meaning said the Aquayano, a political stain, a Beckham home, a Beckham MPP home, somebody who hold on and do the propaganda. Yes, I know the penalty in the Akoba Seno, inti, and whom to answer about. We should leave them, let them have their say. And no natural say opposition or on do ya there. We need tea, that on near lambasted woman. And also, you don't want to be lambasted. No. Fire. You fire baby. Ya the pania moabaso. And just so much reme. Yes, ye two bedna on near Bissabisa on some. Ye two bedna on near Bissabisa on some. Talking about excavators. Me pam chow. And American say, Ufa once na one before Bibra, Ubrukru, one we are no to kuti asan with him. Pacho. Excavators na eji ane ahye no dear. Me am gina hai se Kofi Bosheba. I disagree. Me ne sa idea ne yenhia wo ba bia. Pamcho wo mo amode sa ba ni na go back to the drawing table. Enye good practice. Excavator no. Oh, general sense and 2 wrongs don't make right. What dia o she no? What do you gain? Oh, she no crown. Who you so petrol yakoto ni na a cost. Meanwhile, you bet him the excavators yakojia sase a futusu nyina man so prison nyina kwa kodo. Ama in some business nyina kodo na Ghana as a nation yenya farm. Dave Maxwell, let me tell you, an idiot is better of a word than illiteracy and useless. Why? And Jim Kennedy Japan said so. We appreciate and only your chance here be idiots and illiterate, and be useless and illiterate. In the fight Jimmy Kwada, you I don't know who by a Kenyans as some big new fee, Fabi Kwano Koma or Uncroft, Wabetana, and Unquasa Samuana with the Jimmy no. What it? Baba Penny no I said that Jimmy's are yet, and you're fine. Okay. I have to block him. They say no ba, Ube Jimmy, I will block you. May you have mama and Yansafueti because that's not distracting me. And your best say Galamse no, ye can't once a man, Mubia, Emfa, Emba, MBD, Agro. Yenina, Yankuntia. Now, back to fix it. Mr. Fix it ready. We have to fix the country. Rome was not built in a day. Say Yeninzabeno. Who fiti prekupekura pause and moja neba. In as much as we want to fix the country, those calling for fix it now, much political spectacle agenda, I got tell you fix it. You know what fix it means? Maybe you have not thought of it. When this, yeah, I can fix it now. You know what that means? Nana Addo, as we are speaking, is one of the best presidents in the world. As I speak to you now, one of the best presidents in the world. Wabeti Ghana enim. Na your president bia UK krata etimi ka kire say wo ye kromfo awi balawo danduru waka shege. The Daily News our UK stated categorically say ex-president Ghana's ex-president John Dramani Mahama and Mariam Wakwa bedu se hwan na oti UK hono. Do your research. Mahama ntimi ambe kasentia onze gege sembai wati na no kasa wo ho ontimi be kasentia geida ontimi ambe kasentia geida John Dramani Mahama I dare you say e buy na this for Nana should talk wa be kasa force your Mahama to also talk against gege. Let's see who is into it. Let's see who is into it. Obviously, bro, don't give this Jimmy attention. Why you should wear no correct? Why you are there, papa, Jimmy? Where Jimmy? Okay. Young Koso. And the question is, should me and Kasamen fix me? Now we'll fix no be am fixing so that collectively the nation is fixed. Now you can't say country cry anyway. Why should you sit down and wait for somebody to come and fix you? Bro, who be catch them say police ni nyina ho overhead aye overpass aye won fa so be twaka akwan ro amaka abo wo to word mo catch them say fix it. We am fix it there. Just say no to yakwa high police ni abegyina me twa wa ba. On the pavement ayentina so ntonwa de minua ba metiase a o manuma ye den we must all eat and survive. Wakotena baby ayentina ababa say sorry wo say why because wo de mra ye aduma na I will vote against you. No ato abatia no ama de obema akwan galam say ya yifo mining areas mu kwato ti MPP say nka NDC mra na munya kwan tu galam say no. Na o ka say nsuo no shorto a Jomama bem breunzu anu mana. No okaso obema kwa mu aye galam say no. Na ka say shorto obe breunzu anu. And we as individuals must change our thinking way. Ya anya ni saa. Mesi na Ghana for no mu de mo se meboa me yemfa we nyemfa. Ghana for o matu kwan wo abuchire. Ghana for ye oba pa akosua do mo se Ghanaians must fix our attitude. That is it. Yemfa okay, winim ka atwi. Na yakoto car the amount now continue. What are you expecting? You must first learn how to drive before you ask for car. And I be kwakwa tnesti achi. Then anan mo city ya. And who can fix it no akwada. Thank no koye let us fix it kranka me agree. But who should fix it? And then bibia aban ade da form obefa to ye aban wo chichire gata de ko to bola de ko to gata mu no na nado na installing free ni fie mbeyi free ho na nsuo yiri na efa wa wo say system ne nye system ne sen system be na wo Ghana e promote sa asa bi jimi no ma we say chiya gata wo fie chichire fakoto bolem system be na e promote sa. What system promotes that? I think someone wants to join. No. Aquano was not baby. Aquanum blocking no what the request about. Now, was a by the net there was also them. Ya can answer to you see some blocking with the application, but say, may open. Well, because you cannot leave because Yansan ye catch it. Now, where Jiminti Yansa to yama obefe kakra. Anyway, and the Ghana ni me say ye tu kwan a o matutu kwan wa abuchire no masa uko hia de oyonko Ghana ni wa kwantuo mu de beye wa wanwa wo besum amansu ayiru oyonko Ghana ni a woni nyina tu kwan wo besu amansu ayiru your attitude your thinking no enye me I think 2018-19 now me call holiday I was Norway. I said we me feed that Oslo. I mean, nani pa Juma bre, you know, and summer by was it even summer? No, it was in winter. Krana me as I mean, compare winter kakrana, relax, you know, who combine education and then schooling, working now. Ya na doing it. Do baby, ya na heating to your baby cool place. Be question off your phone near the NT. Me fi Italy, and me call holidays. Oh, Norway. Now, one thing is that me call and I was new there. And me rabas in Numa. Now, as usual, maybe I may one. Now me try me ticket, you know, monthly abonnement ticket. Now my bet I may far baby I rabas in the honum there. Once we have the ticket, which me fetch to anymore because of the city in which I was living. And me call Norway, no, so no, it was. And that's our attitude now coming home. And one time, I think me bodo a iba kona me ko twa ticket no na driver no oh no mo kasa bi mantase nam de me ye na me kwatena ase na ade ba kwa me realize that me kwatena ase no citizens no obeka say me a video and yes I wo mahu daki far from that and yet daki because daki fo wo ho me fo me ko and na me kwa enso kra me kala na me jeje chen obi because me kwato Senegal fo wo omu nyina obi a fina ni hwem se yara me hwa obi why I don't say why omu hwem ya no ma feri mani ewu na we na crowd ba ko be catch say why didn't you buy the ticket? I'm saying, but I was talking to the driver, I won't buy it. I said, no, this is the machine, you should have used it. I'm saying, yeah, thank you very much. And look at how the citizens share me. Oma fix you citizens no oma fix you and the fixing be a back so kronuma say see tap na ache omo nyina omo yedade into government the magnet ba ta na ache obia but yen Ghana for alomi nko and that the magnet ba nche wo koto ade e wo 2016 ade auto ye bia auto no 1 Ghana wo waki ubi bia auto mfa so no ubi bia to so auto no e bia 1 Ghana CD 20 pesos wo benya mfa so all right ya do 2020 adenda ho ye ntoyo tio na ya to no mama no asan kwa akoto sa ade no so ama ne sa ade no buo nkwa wo hwa wa tum be 200%. Who pese obi mbe fixi we ma wo you had the one pia yenye ma wo. Look, this is what we are promoting. So obia entria enka obia nyi obi and the moment yankasa as Ghana for yen change your attitude. Hey, yes, son or minus son, you can't Ghana na side country no or those who do now more propaganda for Ghana no ye fixia yes Ghanaians are ungrateful being ye bonia ye papa after free SHS government ben abawi so o ma usika to botum se fa usika ukotua kasable nka wo de every time bia wo ba utua 100 Ghana kura na it means every year nana gives each and everyone in Ghana wo mayo to a almost 900 Ghana the show butum ni nyina achi abegina honom ese face the country amai no so wo hwe ba bia na ye da ene ba bia ye kɔ nyina na we are on course ye fix it. Enti mu de mama propaganda fo no entata machi na munya fe wa wo kan wo je bribe utua bribe ye ko fix wo ye fa nko fitting shop enko tutu ana se enya wo den stop it. When we talk of fixing the country, no, we are not. I think we are not blaming the current government too. We are blaming the whole nation Ghana for ourselves. We need politics ourselves. And I work on there. I agree. But I will say from 1961, 57 problem I created to one now. But since I saw Able president Nana Akufo-Addo so on for 8 years in so. What to be the idea? Ne and then say the end. Ne ube anything. And our attitude in yet Ghana need thinking and yet her more Germany do na de crofo krata na ye adwuma wo do obi krata ye o minuanum wa beje me krata de ye adwuma o de me krata ye adwuma me se wo de eye me krata ntiboso me bia meje 200 euros matiase nipa na tiase boso me so na sika no be da account nu mu na nipa na beje ni sika me sika no so do kra nti mete 400 nipa no so oni hweye o se 400 no so afan dia kama no so o se bosum we dem diskana ya de show obi man so na yes o ma fix no nti yen bae no ye because we are not fixed, we've not fixed our attitude no sebi jimini aditi e krom na na aso ade abeso o mu krom ha wo tra bus mu a ka ticket kakra obi 20 na pressure down so obi manya ha pressure because when you bus ticket all kono hwe kwan num chain driver no because controllers beba o hwe nani da kwan num hwe kwan num kra chain driver because when tua we wia na wonnim se bus no a wo tua ticket no e insurance bibi wo kono bus no de panyina na bibi to a you are insured wonnim se insurance na wo twa no anya ya na ewewia ye nia enti attitude nye enti collectively or mining koya you don't miss politicians say what Ghana omun do 2 million where are the 30 million enti fix the country no or no fix ya but one fix wo no man fix mo no asumasi am fix ni na collectively and fix ye ho a brother sister wo pa pan Fakoma BBC Fonka and the police cannot stop us. Who in this era ye fighting against public gathering? Ye nyamuna mumbetumbum. Na say kuyalian command home so amasa base government should do something. Modi amopa mamu follow police for shisha. And a culture of silence. Culture of silence. And as some jam fitimitna radio so edidi sitting president atem ekeka na adwen kire no culture of silence any day Sam Jonah senko wa bia adwuma na Ghana fo ye bia nke yo Dangote mu omo yo classmate ni Dangote mu wa bobra wa escalate wa kosoro enti no de asemo ba in Ghana politics no wumpe no ma bisa fa hum be shim embe score political point against Obi because that at the end of the day that is not what is good. Who can wadun who can abaya becho wo so ye mayen kan adun wadun so na wo kan men tiase. So the government Akufo-Addo is doing extremely well. Well, yeah, dear, the fight against Galamsey, he as a person, he's doing his best. Let us as Ghanaians support him. Let us start thinking Ghanaian thinking. And then brofie timia washi adwia ma wo country a yese wo yekurase ni. Wo kasa bu beka typical twa yese wo yekurase ni. Ni nyina no say you fix it. Now I'm looking forward. I have a dream. So one day Ghana will have a common language. Enya brofo. ebeye the language are spreading all over Ghana and use it in our parliament because that book na mo confess you and broni won fa ni secret in book mu emfa ma. And you don't think we are going to read the brof no. And the fix it no wide 1957 bepim 2021 ade I said ya say na ba no na Akufo-Addo woman 15 years ko ntimi nye na so onye able, he's more than able, but problem no ese woman adequate time to solve it enye so wo say no nti enti asoma kire me de na misro fa ne bra ne mbisa bisa ne nsem hwa ya we ofeliye na so otimi kokka kire sa ayi asoma kire me ombe kan kire de bia fa ba ne da kohwe ndisi fo piawo enne de yeso ye bofie sanse ade na the interest of Ghana, not one political party. First Ghanaian Ghana or political party be na to Ghana. After all, we are all Ghanaians. And the effect of Galamsey ne de extremo mumenhwe ni ne ba ye mobrowa no mobrowa na ewom no e ba ye ne ebre o ye na ye ble mo na mo ble mbodam ni bi ni na se mo na mo ble e ba ye ne ebre o Akufo-Addo ye ka se Ghana nkransu a obekra o Mahama Ghana nkransu a obekra o na we wohwe nsu a nani pe no ma sabi udi kogu aboa ho kra obekọ na chi udi kogu aboa ho a obekọ na chi. And so we are forced to drink it because enene de wo ho maye na wonim se wo sensu no ekọ Ghana waterfall ho a eso om de aduro mo gum se de ani beti na aduro no so koy overdose na wonum a wo se wo kidney wo se wa kuma wo se wo lungs nyame waya ade se sa covid anu atimi asoso na sa mani areas ho no de obi the covid ni kosi ho no a ye nyina ye bewu enti meseti mammu fosi etu mine Galamsey wo takwa fo ni nim Galamsey fo ni nyina they should bring them among report to omo na wo no wakoto kromfo wa ye din se nyame no owia mti wonwia no owia de owia no wia wo ko wia hwan ye nyina ya yi ni eteto ne ye hwehwe han begu egu sitting on the fence. Don't sit on the fence, my dear sister. What? You better must say, aha, fie ni fie TV. Yes, now I am not well follow. Now I like it. Now we just comment as usual. Now you share CDBC akono. On the 9th, Mother's Day, I am mother. Some day will be our follow fie ni fie. They will say, aha, no, aha, a mother station. Aha, a mother. Special day for women and mothers. In the Abayani say. Ubetimi the message ama e WhatsApp asama pese o ka kire wo maame edu ha ubema na ba line kra be kasa your mother can be there you know be live video na waka asama kire mama so edu honum dia solely for mothers. Why if your mother is a good mother you must thank your father. Think about it. Me say so maame na pa da papa say after all na ko hwe ne breo. You know, some men are selfish. Ohu oba no ho fe, yes, the truth is one no for bibia kama, but sebi manu da sumina oni suban ya diteten kura no wa selfish me nko ame de me hwe na ne ho fe no aware no onwene ne ma ho. But o papa edwene ohu say I want a good mother for my kid and o choose woman me ma wa. You should be grateful to daddy. Na do Mother's Day no Father's Day no so ye nyina ye bedi ne pepepe but sisi efi aba na edie ye nyina ye ta ye maame mochi ma de omuni wiase a ana de bia meka ka wiase nye do ka wiase nye de oba ni wiase a o de ko Virginia ne sa bra wechi e bra behwe ana bu nse wiase mba pa wo wiase de enti nyame nhyira ma be ma de utuo na umumba unim de oye ye ne onim tini ya adwen nti on the knife ye beba before knife no ye beba life why nti nyame nhyira said de bia ye ba ye kwa ye kra no mesra wo ye bema didin trim adwumaden e ma pomuden jiro ho ye adwuma bo adwuma unya sika sie bi me se udidi na adwane no bi ka osima enya se awusi na kwan da na akaka e bo nka ye se unya sika fa bi sie na da cha sem beba obra no ano no you save unware ya umfa sika maba ni se mempna no unware ya dabi don't do that montwen plan montwen no sika commitment ni bibia mo ware oba de onya ware no so dia onu hu na nyame behwe wa mo akọ heaven ti na ene wu wiase nyina so fama no oba ne dia wa ware no nko dia wu wiase nyina oba ne dia fama no na ware ne dia broken heart o yere dia sebi ofa sika dina ne no wo ma bedi ni makura na sebi at the point in time ma dom ho enti won fa nko ai na mpena obepirawo before pirawo oba obema sister so be man on plan na so peja o nine ko wie mu man na to keep a man no enye sex to keep a man enye sex a man is ever ready to spend the last calorie in his body for sex but to keep him enye sex ai ndi susumanu nyo en no anwaro as we use me we use wo your pen drive. Oh, but download you then. Timo. Well, mun close gate. Mama no common you. Men the pressure be mo ma ware no. Timo mun jeje mo sa twa mi ka se obi bu afu de. Mi ka se obi awura atade be we abo ko ho ne. Ubeda kom ko ware. On power kan ko ware. Ati. Endi yabeda mun na ase. God bless you, Sister McCoy, Sister Dorothy. There are some people, and I guess, I'll buy pa kusia doma. Oh, they just say, me who are no many ages, you know what? Me yere de akusia doma. Inti, oh, yeah, me yere precope. Ti, me yere no me dona, ma me who ni dini bikura na, and so I adore me. Yeah, odo, Virginia. Dorothy, something. Am I getting the name correct? Yes. We're a top fan. Nyame Nshirao. I appreciate. Kweku Amwakon. Nyame Nshirao. Alexander Oti. I have a son called Alexander, so I love that name. Nyame Nshirao. And Kwesi Apia Steven. Also true talk, more fire. God bless you. And anyway, Kweku Amwakubi was Mahama never again. Oh, it's a campaign we are quite do. Mahama never again. Alfred Owusu and Sam Mahama can I mean say never I may say out there, but that is what you meant. Nyame enshira munyina Thomas Boampo. Yeah, bro, Charlie. Obete me kan wa Mr. Facha me. I say Kweku Asumachre me has Freda Kufa. Yeah, I think I've read it. Yes. Vera Usuku. I don't know. So Dino, I get it. May you correct. I stand to be corrected and pardoned. I say he was talking about fixing the country. Yes, they should recycle the plastic bags and bottles. Yes. I think we'll comment that they should create a system for recycling in the country. Yes, we'll comment how they buy now. We're on point. Alfred Owusu, thank you. Don't go somewhere. Some more fire. I think I have Vera again. Thank you all. Nyame enshira munyina, nyame enshira munyina. Meda munyina mase. Nyame aduma da sene. Yebesan ehia. Na watwe mu nsem no ekokoso ay bobo so ana de aba. Nyame enshira obi but Theo Odikro, what did he say? Yes, the law must work. Your law no there. Me no me enu na brat you say sister Theo. And me work because Nancy Akwa Pimpolo said you couldn't say who I chin me. No me and one and I can say Jano. So, you know, I'm running there, but we can make it. Yes, we can. I salute you. God bless you. But please like, follow, and share. God bless you.